What are we gonna do?
So hi kids, we're gonna play with some. I'm gonna play with some dinosaurs here, and the first step is these things. So the dinosaurs are stuck in land, and here's a water dinosaur. I'm gonna get you out. Your island. I'm gonna get your destination. World. You say mountain, so here is the mountain. Here's your destination. Here's my home. The girl got scared by the dinosaur.
You wanna roll out some Play-Doh? Ooh, here's some green Play-Doh.
Yeah! Daddy, do you want to play with me?
Of course. Here, let's roll this up.
Squash. I'm gonna make a pizza. I'm gonna make a purple pizza.
Squish. Oh, don't put T-Rex in this one.
Squash. Squashing it. Squashing it.
What are you gonna do with that one?
Pizza. Get your pizza.
I'll put this little dude in here too.
Pizza. Get your pizza. Daddy, let's make a dinosaur pizza.
Dinosaur pizza, okay.
So we got add little paw prints from little dinosaurs. Doom.
Nice. All right, let's play with some dinosaurs.
And last step, the crunchy. We made the dinosaur pizza.
Hold it up so the kids can see.
Ta-da!
Right here.
Where's the slicer?
Slicer, slicer, slicer.
Slicer.
Slice with that. We got some scissors right here.
Yeah, slicer, slicer. Slicer. Pizza for you. Next pizza. Cut out the pizza. This pizza's for you.
Gobble, gobble.
He's bringing it with him. This next pizza is going to be for him. Daddy, he's having the crust and he blew it over his mouth.
Oh, that's funny. Show the kids.
There you go. Kizzy. Kids, what is your name? Ticky, Ticky, Ticky.
What's the dinosaur's name?
Kids, this dinosaur's name is Face.
Face. Because this is covered up.
Yeah.
Alright.
He loves being silly.
We put some palm trees on here. We like palm trees.
And we made another pizza. And little stamps like palm trees. A dinosaur pizza's done. Okay, next is let's cut it out. Next pizza is for you, Brachiosaurus. Yum, 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 yum. Head mask, head mask, head mask, head mask, head mask.
Alright, so the kids.
Silly, right, kids? Next we have him. His name is Slicey. Thank you.
You just
They're just taking their pizzas.
why is that pizza on the dinosaur's tail?
I'm just making pizza.
Alright, what are you doing now?
Now I'm giving the dinosaur some pizza still. Silly, you get one.
Let's put them over here so the kid can see them.
Then they will get Silly.
It is silly. That's okay, silly's fun.
No, his name is Silly.
Oh, his name is Silly.
And look at Smash, kids.
Let's put it right here so you can see. There we go.
Hey, Daddy, I'm gonna put all the dinosaurs will have Play-Doh on their self right here for the kids can see it.
That sounds good.
Just kidding.
So why is the pizza stuck to their head?
I don't know why, they're just being silly. And add Mr. Snake.
Let's put it over here so people can see.
Hey. And then another snake. And put the green and the green and the purple on him. Get Pansy. There you go. There you go. There you go.
That's not a dinosaur. Here, hold him over so the kids can see.
Kids, I'm just putting a giraffe in too. Giraffe, please. I want to put a giraffe too, Daddy.
Play-Doh pizzas covering the photograph's head.
Yeah! They're all having a fight, Daddy.
What are they fighting over?
The pizzas.
There's plenty this year.
Sticky. I do have enough.
Here, put it over here so people, let's get up some space. There, so people can see your little dinosaurs.
Daddy, we kind of have enough.
You can never have too many dinosaurs.
You gotta have too many dinosaurs.
No, no such thing.
Yeah.
Your mother's hair clip. What are you going to do with that?
She let me have it. And he's like carrying his pizza. Dinosaur.